To transfer Solana from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet, you need to follow a series of steps. First, open the Crypto.com app and log into your account. Navigate to the Accounts section and select the Solana wallet. Click on the Withdraw button and select Solana as the currency you want to withdraw. Next, you need to add the recipient address, which is the address of your Phantom wallet. To get the address, open the Phantom Wallet app and click on the Receive button. Select Solana as the currency and copy the address. Go back to the Crypto.com app and paste the address in the recipient field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer and select the network fee. Make sure to review the transaction details carefully before confirming the withdrawal. Once you confirm, the transaction will be processed and the Solana will be transferred to your Phantom wallet. It is essential to note that you need to have the Phantom Wallet app installed and set up on your device before initiating the transfer. Additionally, ensure that you have enough Solana in your Crypto.com account to cover the transaction amount and network fee. To complete the transfer, you need to have a stable internet connection and ensure that both the Crypto.com and Phantom Wallet apps are up to date. It is also crucial to keep your private keys and seed phrases safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your wallets. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer Solana from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet. Always double-check the transaction details and recipient address to avoid any errors or losses.